What I have in my hand now is the Xiaomi 85 Pro, a newly released product today in the color bright gold.
It's compact.
This model features an in-ear design and uses a coaxial dual amplifier 3-unit acoustic system. Here, it has a glossy metallic texture.
Qualcomm full link, no need for audio.
The sound quality will be exceptional. It collaborates with Harman's Golden Ear for tuning, supports independent recording 2.0, face-to-face translation, simultaneous interpretation, and these features are supported in environments up to 100 dB with ultra-clear call noise reduction.
When technology pierces through the night, encounter the texture of the future. Every angle is a poetic expression of the universe. The headphones debut Wi-Fi audio transmission. Up to 4.2 megabits per second, lossless sound quality. The same song, entirely renewed. Also tuned by Harman's Golden Ear team.
The listening experience is elevated.
For the first time equipped with Xiaomi Ginger River battery, it enforces a 10-hour battery life. The Xiaomi 85 Pro Wi-Fi version phone and headphones Wi-Fi connection brings 4.2 megabits per second master tape quality, lossless sound quality.